When I was a child, I lived in a neighbourhood in Harrogate, North Yorkshire, a charming town known for its natural beauty and historic elegance. The neighbourhood I grew up in was situated in a quiet, suburban area just a short distance from the town centre. It was characterised by its well-maintained, spacious houses and leafy streets. The community was made up of a mix of families and retirees. Many of the families had young children, so the area had a lively atmosphere with kids often playing in the local parks. The retirees were friendly and had a strong presence in the community, frequently participating in local events and gatherings. This mix created a balanced environment where there was always something happening, yet it remained tranquil and safe. Living in this neighbourhood was a delightful experience. It offered a perfect blend of peace and activity. The local parks provided ample space for outdoor activities, and the proximity to the town centre meant that essential services and shops were easily accessible. The sense of community was very strong. Neighbours were always willing to lend a hand or have a friendly chat, which made it feel like a second family. Looking to the future, I would definitely consider living in a similar neighbourhood. The combination of a supportive, close-knit community and a safe, serene environment is something I deeply value. The memories of growing up in Harrogate are very fond, and I believe that a neighbourhood with such qualities would be ideal for both raising a family and enjoying a peaceful lifestyle.